Hey guys, it's Max. Right over here, I have the new Narwal Freo X Ultra, and it has a ton of improvements, including some that nobody else on the market has. They designed the single-sided brush, and that allows it to brush really well, but at the same time, be able to take any hair and it instantly sucks it in without it getting stuck. Now that is great because it just makes for a lot less maintenance, less times you have to take it and cut the hair, dispose of it. And it is actually certified. It is the only robot vacuum that actually is certified for 0% tangling on the brush. So that is proven. And they actually have a pre-order special price. So if you pay 20 bucks, you actually get $300 off, which is a big deal, but it also comes with a year of accessories. So the bags, the mops, everything you need, plus some surprise gifts will be shipped to you guys. So check out the link down in the video description. This has been Max. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.